Today we're making fried oatmeal patties. First, you're going to want to start out by taking 2 cups of oats. And to that, you're going to add 1 cup of milk. And you're going to let this soak for a couple hours for the oats to absorb that milk. These are going to be the rest of the ingredients we'll need, which you can see listed in the comments below. You're going to grate 2 carrots, nice and fine. Now in the frying pan, you're going to saute some onions that have been diced. Then you're going to add in bell pepper, tomato, garlic, and the rest of the ingredients like cilantro, and 1 egg. Mix that all together. After you've mixed everything together, now you're gonna take your frying pan again, have it on low heat, and add in generous amount to make your patties. I usually add about 3 patties to the hot oil and make sure not to overcrowd them. After a few minutes, you're going to want to flip them over. And there you have it. Fried oatmeal patties. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.